Hello everyone, it's Frank again with another ATV video. Today we are once again working on the Arctic Cat. We got new wheels and new tires for it. The only problem is the studs on the Arctic Cat are notoriously short. As you can see here in Partzilla where you can buy them, they are really short. You could barely even fit a wheel on it, much less the lug nut on top of the wheel. Lucky for us though, a lot of Kawasaki's use the same size stud, just slightly longer, which is perfect for us to put in an aftermarket wheel on the Arctic Cat. This is the easier route to take because there also are guides online where people drill out the hole slightly bigger to fit in a larger stud. That way it's stronger, but we didn't think we would need that. The tires we're putting in and wheels we're putting in are not that heavy either. The process itself is not that difficult at all. You just need a heavy hammer to remove the old studs, and then once those are off, the other ones just go straight in and you clamp them down with the lug nut itself. As you can see, we ended up switching out the lug nuts to regular style lug nuts. The Arctic Cat brings these weird, just regular nut looking open lug nuts, which I didn't really like, so we replaced them with these that we bought from Amazon, and they fit perfectly. And that's all there is to it. If you enjoy this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.